Hello, in this video we will discuss how unitary method could be used to solve problems related to time and work. So what is unitary method and what kind of problems are asked in time and work topic? Let's see one by one. In unitary method, value of multiple items or some quantity of items is given to us and we have to find value of some other quantity. Okay. For this we calculate value of 1 unit. So 6 kg potato costs rupees 30. So 1 kg will cost 30 upon 6, right? 30 upon 6. That means 10 kg will cost 30 upon 6, that is price of 1 kg into 10. This will give us 50 rupees. This is what unitary method is all about. Now let's say two guys A and B decide to do some work. Now that work could be anything. It could be watering the plants or cutting the log or making breakfast. It could be any work. And let's say the total work that needs to be done is W. Now they need to do one such work. Okay, or for simplification of calculation, we are simply going to take fractional part of this work. This is one work, 1 W. So we are going to write 1. We are going to take 1 as the total work that needs to be done. We can of course use W everywhere for solving questions, but it will get cancelled out anyway. So instead of using W, we will be writing fractional value of the work everywhere. So when 1/3 of the work is being done, we won't call it 1/3 or we won't use W by 3. Okay, we will simply be using 1 by 3. And I guess you now understand what that 1 by 3 means. It simply represents the fraction of the work done. Okay. So one work needs to be done which A alone does in 12 days and B alone does in 15 days. In how many days will the work be finished if they work together? This is the most basic question from this topic. A takes certain days to finish the work. B takes certain days himself. How many days will they take to finish the work together? Answer obviously will not be 12 plus 15, 27. We cannot add days directly. Answer is going to be less than 12 because A alone takes 12 days to finish the work. Now with the help of B, he is going to take even less days than 12. So A takes 12 days to finish one work. That means in one day, he will be doing 1/12 of the work, or we will simply write 1 by 12 work. If we are assuming total work as 1 or the fractional part as 1, in one day A will be doing 1 by 12 work. This is rate of work of A. What is rate of work? Rate of work is work done per day. So in one day he is doing 1 by 12 work. Similarly, rate of work of B will be 1 by 15. 1 by 15 work per day. When A and B work together in one day, they will finish. We will simply add their rates. When A and B work together, they will finish 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. That comes out to be 3 upon 20 work. We can directly add their work done in one day. See, days cannot be added directly, but work can be added. You can finish half the work, I can finish half of the work, and we can add and say that the whole work is finished now. So work can be added, and to further simplify the process, we are dealing in a days of work, right? We are talking about work done per day. Once we have got how much work is being done in one day, we can get results for any number of days. So 3 upon 20 work is done in one day. Total work, that is one work, will be done in 1 upon 3 upon 20, that is 20 upon 3 days. So what we have got here could be remembered as a formula for such simple straightforward questions. This 20 upon 3 is what? It is reciprocal of 3 upon 20. So I can write this 3 upon 20 as 1 upon 20 upon 3. And if we focus on this part of the result, we can write a generic formula, a general formula for such questions. It would be 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon T, where A is time taken when A works alone and B is time taken when B works alone, and T is time taken when both A and B work together to finish the same work. Okay, and we can further extend it. If there is one more person C involved who finishes the work alone in C days, then we can write 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon T. Okay. In the next video, we will be solving some questions based on unitary method. There are going to be more of questions and less of theory in time and work topic, as there are very limited concepts but with huge application. A variety of questions can be formed, and we will be covering each and every variety in the coming videos. Thank you for watching.